My correct people, they don't happen, oh, they don't link Tonto Dike new husband with one popular Instagram twerker when they call and say Jeremiah. My correct people, them no be small thing, oh. News just dey shele about Tonto Dike and her husband. This one where I want to say husband can't be like say something hang me for truth. So my correct people, them na confusioning nowadays now because I don't really know. But we hear say don't go pay bride price for her head. But now this voice notes where I dey hear nowadays, now it just they put me for heavy confusioning where I don't even know where to belong again. This their love where they sweet our belly, like say tomorrow and next tomorrow no day where the man go post her picture, he go say blessed art thou among women. Hey, even give her rose flower join. She should go say, baby, how you love me is inspiring. I'm grateful. Then the man go come put on love emoji, put on fire, put face where they see so love. And so all of us come dey happy for Tonto Dike because based on wetin she don pass through, we know say all wetin she deserve na true and pure love. But many of us come dey very disappointed, when voiceover come dey shele everywhere, say see wetin Mr. Kpokpogri talk and the voiceover dirty pass gutter, like the kind things where the person they talk, I cannot say he's the one, but the kind things where the person they talk, even about Tonto Dike self, say they don't they get problem, or say Tonto Dike they smoky, oh. The video there I go put out for description box for some of una wey never watch them because now na fresh voiceover na don't come out, and also allegation, say parents Kpokpogri and Jeremiah said in the wrong things. And Jeremiah here na marriage woman, and she be popular Instagram twerker. Na her husband be that. So I don't know, my great people them. Most of her videos have no fit put them here because the video, the video no be small video. So see her name there. Anybody wey won't watch the video, but I beg no do bad thing, after you watch am. If you go watch the video, but I don't know if you put anyone here, but she did twerk, yeah. She be popular Instagram twerker, we get 2.something million followers for IG. My great brother for all these things where they share like person, I just feel bad for Tonto Dike because she has been through a lot and person don't really know whether all these things are true, are being a lie. Although some people they say the voice they too local to be the man voice. My great people them. Some Delta people, they just get that English. No be saying a local, they won't speak better one, they go speak. If they won't speak that one with maybe their friend, they feel speak. So me, I no feel really put my stamp there. But I really don't know. But since the news, breakout Tonto Dike has been, enjoying herself, posting pictures. She never really write or talk anything wey even relates to the news where they fly around. If you won't follow her reaction alone, if you even feel say this news where they fly around no be about this Tonto and another one. But I don't know, maybe she herself, she knows say her man no do am and she's so unbothered. Yes, but she see they write her motivational quotes, they quote different things, they write many things for her wall to inspire people as usual. Even her pastor birthday was a couple of days back. She go her birthday, enjoy herself, do her recording. She was looking fabulous. So person where they depressed, where something big like that happened to her, I'm not sure she could get herself to even want to attend any occasion at all. So my great people that don't look this thing. I say this thing cannot be real, I just pray, may just be as I think, or as I feel. So my great people there make I allow una to listen to the voiceover, then we go also see the allegation which this lover put on top Jeremiah and Mr. Kpokpogri head. Make we read them, see as it is shele.
Because I go enter Abuja back tomorrow.
You just run everybody one after the other. You know,
That's
you know, one day with trauma again. I don't understand you. They will spank you now.
Thank you. It's not the date for the date now. See, we are not dating now. See, we are just working.
Oh wow. Yeah, for like make una 2 days. The girl, I don't know, she very nice to me. Now you make that time when we get that problem. And that problem is because of you. But thank God say me and her we don't later sort out our issues, because if they say me and this girl no settle, if they say me and Spanky no settle, I for no just forgive myself, because I like the girl and I like her energy. The girl na person be say she ready to carry person along. You understand?
I say if forecast me.
And I can't go wear blue and blue.
Yes, and I don't see some Asaba actress when they know me, when the ones when I don't fuck before. Like Uku Venza, Crystal Official, I see all of that there. I bone them, I never look them twice.
I like waiting you do. Before you know, if people go carry, and you don't know say na blue she wear. She? You can't go wear.
I don't know. I can't go wear blue and blue.
Kai, they for really post you, cause say Prince went to his other girlfriend's shop opening. Before you know, I don't know why bloggers, I don't know where they gather news from, I swear. Before you know, they don't carry person matter. They post everywhere.
And
Tonto DK go come see her now, come they say her. Now wow. And I know all those things, good for you. I like waiting you do. Just come. Because when I asked her, what can she tell me? I didn't ask her. When I came in, she told me that Prince just left, so he came. Did I see you? I said no, I didn't see you. So as you can't just show your face, because if you sit down there, people they record you and you no go know. I swear. As that kind of PD there, you know.
I forecast see. I'm a wise guy, you. I don't see the environment in me. I go cast here nana. Make I use my brain. And I use my brain immediately.
Take move.
Move straight.
How far you and Gracie now?
Who be JC?
I said Gracie, Grace. That girl.
I never see that girl, oh.
But una two run things last time. Now why I connect una together? Politician, your things, your profile supposed dey hidden. The thing now can't make you now there everywhere. If I enter Facebook, Prince. Enter Instagram, Prince. Bloggers they post you steady. Even for gist lovers blogger, if you see wetin they write for there about you, I shock. You there everywhere now. But it's good, at least you go follow make you dey popular. But I don't want that kind of thing for you because of your politician this thing, good make you there everywhere that.
Come. I need to have that small girl. That small girl goes sweet well. The way when I watch her yesterday.
Teddy. If you want.
My great people, the one way surprise me past that the one way they link them to this Instagram twerker. Just love I say twerk. We from the violence headquarters want to state our displeasure and anger towards our online in-law, Prince Gbọ̀gìrì. Shey I spell am well, as him no say him Bola no wan stay one place. Why did he come looking for our mama the papa? Oh wrong now, come put emoji wey comot eye for head. Alright, say her favorite Instagram twerker has been on Prince list since way back before Tonto came on board sef, and even after she met that her man she is always flaunting and using to make videos. Prince is one of her heavy sponsors, hence she no wan leave Prince even after finding love with another man. Prince dey enter the place steady with better money for hand. Come laugh 3 times. All these Asaba actress, now only few of them never chop Prince Bola, as he goes about sharing the Bola as God takes send am. His lists are endless, but some of his nakis are listed in the leaked voice notes above. His source of income is shady one, and we will come to that details later, but the guy dey share the money all rounder. He was at one of his concubine shop opening recently wearing blue, not knowing say the concubine too na blue she wear. Na so baba take run comot for the place before he go cast come laugh 3 times. This is not to mock Tonto, but to show her the red signals. This one na Churchill Pro Max. As Churchill marry him sister, this one go marry him area sister too. Na my area sister, na so e take dey start. And to Lady Golfer wey dey use Tonto laugh, your own life dey so pathetic. When dem talk say person no get life, na that golfer her own don finish. Person e dey confuse, use wey no know which gender to follow. Dey do man, do woman, all join. You wan come use another person laugh. Golfer take several seats to make e give window no fall on your mama. Oga say him go address this thing on Sunday. Well, make una change voice as una dey do am. Una free to debunk am. Na una way. I come in peace. So person come comment for the comment section say, now wow, I could remember 5 years ago when this twerker dey boast of 20 million. I was wondering what she's selling. Why this news no sweet my belle na basically because of Tonto Dike. If not, am I surprised say maybe Prince will get something with Jeremiah? I'm not surprised because most men, the way she dey shake her yansh like that, any amount they fit put and money is tempting, and the kind of high life well these our celebrities they won't live. Most of them, they are ready to do anything, to maintain that lifestyle, and now so then they compete with each other. So my great problem now, Prince post this picture. He say God bless this husband and wife for reading Integrity Watchdog magazine. That means he knows Jeremiah. So now him post and so for him page, he knows Jeremiah. So you know if you can't deny, say you know. Well, my great problem, the whole thing just tire me. Maybe they be business partners, whether, but I know say no, at least that post wey post so na person wey know whether another thing join them my correct people them last now only Baba God there know. But the thing they be say, waiting me out, they always believe, be say time is the proof of the truth. This love has been bringing you, say, Peter Okoye and Paul Okoye and his wife, their marriage don't they get issue. People say na lie. Don't bring many news. People say na lie. Later it can't turn out to be true. But last, now only God knows, sha. And I thank you for watching.